I'm so excited. You guys have been waiting for this forever. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much fun, you guys. Okay, let me get into the video so you know what I'm talking about. Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome to my channel. Nice to meet ya. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you're probably a little confused. You've probably noticed some changes around here. Don't worry, I'm still here. But there are gonna be some changes, which I'm so excited about. And if you're one of my loyal subscribers, I know you're gonna be excited too, because I have the best followers ever, and you guys are always so supportive. I cannot wait to share all of this new content with you guys. I've been working nonstop, so busy on this whole rebranding. I've been filming and editing and just working really hard to make sure I have a little bit of everything for you guys, so you really enjoy the new content. All right, so here's the tea. After winning Food Network's Cupcake Wars, I started sharing my recipes online, and in November of 2013, I started the Lindsay Ann Bakes YouTube channel. So basically for the past 5 years, I've been sharing nothing but all of my favorite recipes, and now it's time for a little makeover. We're doing a little rebranding so I can share a ton of new content with you guys that I'm super passionate about. I'm a little nervous, but I'm so excited. I think you guys are gonna love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be doing tons of baking videos. You guys know I love adding a little bit of whimsy and extraness to all my recipes, so I'm just gonna be doing that, but all across the board, so I can inspire you guys in more than just the kitchen. I'm doing everything from nails to lashes and makeup. I'm even sharing the DIY hacks that I did for my wedding and for parties. There's gonna be a ton of amazing DIYs for your home or your dorm or your apartment. You're also gonna be getting to know me and my friends and family a lot more, so I'm doing a lot more challenge videos. We're doing taste test showdowns with a bunch of my friends. Literally everything I've always wanted to share with you guys. So if you have any ideas on videos you want to see, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'll try to make it happen. And don't forget to follow me on social media for all the kind of behind the scenes, sneak peeks, and all that good stuff that I know you guys want to see. So follow me there, and that's what I'll be kind of announcing whenever there's a new video up, so you're going to be the first to see it. You guys, I'm doing it all. Everything from challenge videos to Q&As to DIYs to crafts to makeup and beauty, all that kind of stuff, because even when I was doing just baking videos, I swear I would get so many comments on my beauty routine or makeup tutorials and all that kind of stuff, so don't worry, I got you. So I want to welcome everybody old and new. Hello, welcome, I love you already. I'm so excited you're here. I'm happy to have all of you. Please subscribe. I'll love you forever and ever. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye. Can you guys please tell me when I have lipstick on my teeth, because that's super embarrassing. So it's a sad day because we're saying goodbye to Lindsay Ann Bakes, but if you saw today's YouTube video, you know, hey, it's really exciting. I am so excited about this change. For the past 5 years, I've been doing all baking on my YouTube channel, and I'm still gonna be doing baking, don't you worry. But now I'm gonna be expanding the channel and doing a ton more content, things that I'm super passionate about. Okay, so in addition to the baking, I'm now going to be sharing a lot of DIYs and home decor and crafty stuff. I'm going to be doing beauty and makeup tutorials, which was highly requested even when I was just a baking channel. I'm having my friends on for challenge videos. It's going to be so fun. I'm also going to be doing videos about things going on in my life and things that I don't talk about a lot. So we're getting real, people. You're going to be getting to know me a lot more, and I'm having my friends and my family on a lot more. So to everybody who's followed me from the beginning, or if you just started following me now, thank you so much. I know you're going to be super excited and super supportive because I have the best followers ever. But I'm just really excited for this new chapter in my journey, and I'm excited to take you with me.